How to check if your iPhone display is original or replaced. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to check your iPhone if there was any display original or replaced problem. So let's get started. First, as you have to open settings on your iPhone. After you open settings, tap on general. From general, tap on about. And from the section, if you see any options like unknown part or display refreshment, that's already a red flag and it means that your display might be replaced or not original. Step 2. From the settings section again, tap on display and brightness. From here, look for the options like true tone. If you find true tone option from your display is original. If you not find that, your display might be fake or not factory installed. Step 3. Check the touch and color like you can compare to another iPhone. Fake displays often feel slightly laggy and more colder or brush color. And that's it. This is the method to check your iPhone display is real or replaced. If this helped, don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.